really good information to have and to use and to know.
Oh yeah!
It's all about learning. It's all about growing. It's all about taking those steps. Focus. And putting them into action.
Reading and writing instead of arts and crafts at a summer camp in California.
This is no ordinary summer camp. This is Super Camp.
Super Camp.
Super Camp.
Super Camp.
Revolutionary new ways of learning are being developed and taught.
And because of that, schools are bringing Super Camp techniques into the classroom.
Learning how to learn is what we feel is really important, and with information increasing at the rate it is, that's the most important skill that they can learn.
More than 1 million kids in the U.S., Europe, Asia, and Latin America have been impacted by teachers trained in Super Camp's teaching methods.
Teachers are really equipped with new skills that make a difference.
It's the one staff development that we allow our teachers to take over and over again. In fact, we encourage them to do so.
DePorter's Foundation has also provided 455 scholarships to enable kids to attend Super Camp.
We believe that greatness resides in every child, and we know that many lack the environment that truly brings out that greatness. We create a safe and encouraging environment that's aligned with what we know about brain research. We get inside the students' world so they know we care, and we use methods that reach all kinds of learners. When we artfully orchestrate these elements, along with powerful learning skills, kids feel great. They experience many success moments that build and spiral, and everything else changes in their lives.
I work in an alternative school. These are some kids who are kind of at the most at risk. They've been kicked out, high truancy, 2 years behind, average grade, a lot of them teen moms. And I had an opportunity to send a brother and a sister. And the sister was supposed to be a junior and she had failed. And so now she's 2 years behind. And this is a girl who is very angry. She had lived a really rough life. Ultimately, by day 3, I started smiling. She's out there leading teams. She's one of the strongest leaders of these different work groups. And so at the end of the camp, she knocked out 2 years of high school in 1 year at the highest earned credits ever in the history of the alternative school. And she is now headed off to a 4-year college. So that's how I know it works.
For the first time in my life, I feel confident about myself.
I get the work done, I have time for other things, I can turn it in, I get A's on everything. Things are good, everyone's happy.
My GPA went from a 2.8 to a 4.0 last year.
You can memorize like 20 things.
We should just be on a network where every kid can have access to this.
Look at what I am now. A successful, highly motivated student.
I learned that you shouldn't give up your dreams, because if you keep going after them, then one day you'll finally achieve them.
It's the perfect supplement to educational system because it deals with the heart.
I actually think every teacher should go through this program. We would have amazing schools if they did.
Every kid, no matter what community, affluent or in the most poorest neighborhoods, needs this opportunity.
I've never realized my full potential until now.